Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful and fully functional contact us page in WordPress using Elementor completely free. No premium plugins, no coding. Let's jump in. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard, head over to pages and add new page. Name the page like contact us. And the edit and hit edit with Elementor. You can also set this page as your main contact page later under setting, then reading. Now inside Elementor, let's design the layout. Click the plus icon and choose a 2-column structure. In the left column, we'll add a simple contact form. In the right column, we'll add location, phone, and email information. You can replace this image matching with your account or website. Since Elementor's free version doesn't come with built-in forms, we will use a free plugin like Elementor. Go to plugins, then add new. Then search for WP form or Elementor. Search for these WP forms light like this, or contact slider, then install or activate it. Drag in the shortcode widget, paste the WP form code shortcode. Boom, your contact form is now live inside Elementor completely free. On the right sidebar, click let's add some useful information. Use icon boxes to add phone, email address, and a Google Maps widget free from Elementor. If you want to show your location, adjust padding, spacing, and colors to match your site. Now hit publish from here, then again publish, and preview your site like that. And that's it. You have just created a fully working contact us page in WordPress using Elementor for free. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe button for more Elementor tutorials and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.